Now, the question comes in why we choose Power BI. What are the useful that we should choose Power BI? We should go ahead with Power BI. Why should we do that? Now, obviously, there are few credentials that matches it, that why should you choose Power BI? Why should you work with Power BI? Why should you actually use Power BI as a meaningful sense? So first is it helps you to create meaningful reports. It helps with an Excel integration. You can integrate Excels in it. So there's a formation of Excel integration that is there. You can have an Excel integration. Then you can have some personalized dashboards available. You can make a personalized dashboard that can be there. You can have the personalized dashboards there. You can make your personalized dashboard. You can make it very simple, useful, whatever way you want to. Then it is very simple to use. First of all, very easy to use. Just drag and drop facility, or you click on it and you start creating your dashboards. Like you click on the visual appears, you drag your columns and you drag your rows and whatever data means on whatever categorical representations you want to show your data, you can show them up and they are be builded up. So it's easy to use, simple and easy to use. Then there is no upfront cost that is involved. Basically, you don't have any upfront cost available. You can easily work with it. So there is no upfront cost that is there. Then there are easy to collaborate. You can easily collaborate with other sources. You can easily collaborate with other databases. You have that option of collaborating with different databases, with different sources, with different intelligence and everything in place. So you can collaborate with different data sources. You can work with different data sources. All of these are handy and you can easily work with them in any of the ways. You can easily work and you can easily work with them and can make it more simpler to use and more easygoing. Then real-time updates are there. You can have a real-time update on there. If the data is connected, data is live, extracted, as soon as you update your data, the data gets updated really quick, really easy. So there is a real-time update that is available. Then you cover a wide coverage of data sources. So there are wide data sources coverage that are there. You have a wide data coverage sources that are there, and based on that, you basically like work on it. So that is also there. So these are all the stuffs and the things that you can see, that you have a wide coverage of data sources that are available. And based on those data coverage and the data sources, you can actually connect your data and you can use those tools and technologies and everything present in the data and can work on it. So these are all the reasons which comes into picture when we talk about why should we use Power BI, what are the uses to use it, why shouldn't we use it, or why should we use it. So these are all the things which comes into mind whenever we talk about Power BI, or whenever we talk about how to use a Power BI, or why not to use a Power